the way they eat, so cute, huh? Look at this. Look at this duck.
You gonna cry?
No.
Dude, look at that one over there looking. The one in the hole right there. Look, it's looking over here.
你在这里闹去呢。
There's a food. You have like bunch of them.
Dude, look at it.
They're not as cute as the one over there.
Dude, look at that one over there.
That one was eating it, and it's so cute.
Look at Shirley. Need you cute. Look at your name. Break it cute.
But I like the ones over.
You guys want to go to the other place and feed the squirrel over there? No?
Doesn't matter.
Look at, dude, look at that one still over there looking.
Did you bring it? Yeah. Here, get him that peanut. If a boy's gonna come over, I don't touch me, so I don't know.
She's like, no, you're ugly. I'm just kidding. Watch on the duck.
Really?
Look at it. Y'all scaring it. Dog's gonna do a dog noise.
Must be other dug out of the pond.